I think this idea of you vanishing people to aid nature is a lie. I think you're trying to dissolve something else. Your past, maybe? Whatever that horrible thing was that twisted you up inside and made you into the freak that you are!
We're gonna run 2 team lines here. One from Lamb Knolls to the Southwest Road, the other from the Fire Road back to the lake. Let's move.